Saan nga may sira dito punit eh.
Ba't galit ka?
Hindi ako galit. Papaliwanag lang.
Okay.
Nakapangginig na nga ako, diretso na ako. Para ano galing ganyan ko. Wala kang hindi na.
Sa labas na. Alright. Game time. Let's go. UK Tour. PBM.
Ang neat, no?
Parang
mapupunit eh.
Larong athletic tailoring. Ay, grabe. Dati sinuntok mo yan, ah. Si Larong, tapos ngayon suot mo yung ano niya.
Kaya ginawa ni JJ, tingin ng Christmas League daw sa kanyang laro. At si Helterbrand nanggigigil na dito kay RD Larong. Nanggigigil ito si JJ Helterbrand. Nagpapalitan na ng mga na salita. And a technical foul has been called. And the coaches are on the court. And Merry Christmas to one and all! Ho, ho, ho! Joy, peace, and love for everybody!
Oh, it's a nice.
It's game time na. On the way to East London Coliseum. Tama ba?
Yes.
Versus London All-Stars. As you can see, we got our coasters ready. Let's go.
Grabe, ang kondisyon. My boy. Okay, next Gakonatics.
Yung mga salaki ng mga PBA Moto Club. Ganito na, walang wala.
Yes, yan lang. Yan ang nakayanan. Oy, Sai, di ba ikaw kung pinakakondisyon? Mrs. Baguio, how's UK experience?
Saya.
Saya?
Oo, saya.
Mr. Skyrus Baguio, pakitaan mo sila ng mga crossover mo.
Game day. Pare, ito ang nag-influence sa akin mag-basketball. Mamaya
Oo,
ako kwento
salamat
ko.
po ha, salamat ha. Kung wala ka pala, walang basketball player na aranya. Walang tirador ng PBA.
Kaya nga nakuha to, tirador eh.
Matik.
Siguro tryout pa lang, sinasabayan yung 6'7". Kinuha siya.
Ayun o. Teammate mo yun, Gax, di ba?
Oo.
Balita ko, best of the best ng UK ang pinalaman sa atin.
Ang QF! Meron tayong import sila.
May import sila boy.
Laban. Nebra. NSD. Delta Brand ba yan? Alright. Amazing. Game shop, hanggang dito sa UK, nandito ka.
Marami nang naghihintay sa'yo sa PBA Moto Club, kaya maglaro ka na please.
Parang kasama ka na namin dito.
Tingnan mo naman.
Pipirmahan ko tong game shop.
Yan oh.
Sang karangalan na makapagpirma ako
Of course.
ng isang game
Ako,
shop.
pumirma na ako. Ayan yung pirma ko. Ayan, pipirma na ni Mr. Amazing. Hanggang dito, kasama ka namin, James Shop, Consi.
O, lalagyan ko ng heart.
Oo, iba din.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Exposure ni sir.
Sir, thank you so much.
Thank you. Subscriber rin.
Game shop.
See you, sana mag-enjoy kayo. Amazing.
Alam ko, tawag na tawag. Sir, alam mo ba, sir, si James Shop, tawag ng tawag sa amin yan.
Ah, okay.
Gusto niya sumama.
In-expect mo eh.
Kaso, pumirma siya, bawal. Lahat ng nasa PBA na may kontrata, bawal sumama sa amin. Pag natapos yung contract, saka sila makakasama.
Okay.
So baka next year. Next year. Mike Casta. Right, mga ka-amazing, follow po and subscribe natin ang vlogger dito sa UK.
Mike Casta Vlog po.
Follow nyo siya para malaman nyo yung buhay ng mga Pinoy dito sa UK.
Let's warmed up, baby.
Ay, may mga player ka na tatakbo. Ayan, ano pangalan mo, Pogi? John Ray and... O, yan mga depensa mo para walang pass break.
Transition defense.
Okay.
Hanggang fourth quarter.
We need you guys to run.
Jay! Oh, no.
Come on, di ba? We need you guys to run transition defense. Yun na yun.
Jay, bata mo, nag-gym pa.
No. Activation.
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 Iba yung-
Legs, everything. Core.
Oh, grabe, nag-activate na rin yung bata ko. Oh!
Ako nga, dog.
Dag ako, dag.
Ano ako?
Gako ka?
Team Gako.
Team Gako ka?
Team Gako.
Dalawang pitik sa tenga. Sino mas madami may score? Doug Kramer o Jerwin Gako?
Bubuhayahin ko to mamaya.
Kausapin ko muna yung bata ko. Laban ba?
Bubuhayahin
Laban ba ako? Hindi. Oh, laban daw.
Doug Kramer ako. Doug, may pustahan kami mamaya. Kung sino mas madami score sa inyo ni Gako.
Sorry, hindi na mapasahan pala.
Kay Kramer ako. Kramer, the Bulldozer. Tapos, Park Pingris. Cyrus Baguio. Tapos, Hector Brand. Oh, malakas na ito. Pang top 50 greatest of all.
Isa, point guard. John Ray.
John Ray. Lahat pwede sa ban. Si Blog lang wala ha. Hindi na sa ban si Doug. Doug, alam mo to.
Apat na screen sa'yo. Kita ka sa post.
Okay. Point guard. Okay. Point guard. Right? Tapos, receive yung wing. Pasa bola. 4, 5. So, ping ikaw to. Si Doug to. Tapos may wingman din dito. Outlet.
So we can have
Horn.
horns, 4 and 5, and then ball side roller, and then weak side pop, and then high low. Pwede gawin. Sunday run.
Doug, weak side. Opposite mo, weak side. Sweeping or isa, straight.
Tawag mo ng bicep. Kukunin ni Doug yan. Paborito ni Doug kunin yan dito sa kita. Okay?
Mag-screen away siya. Tapos bigyan mo sa kanya sa post.
We're very excited to see all of it, as all these people. Basketball is running out of blood. How's London? How was your experience so far?
So, personally,
Tinamaan ng airbag sa mukha. Tsaka sa dibdib. Nung una ayaw maglaro. Hindi daw kaya, masakit.
Okay.
Mga ganyan. Game time na. Nag-stretching. Wala for the game talaga yan, bro.
Pinoy yan. Ito yung walang arting era natin. Kahit natapilo ka, laban pa rin.
Pre, pagpaglanga.
Oo.
Sabi sa Ligang Barangay, papagpag mo lang yan.
Amazing, sir. Thank you. Of course. Thank you for having us dito sa UK.
Ready na ako pumasa.
Umiscore ka, boy.
Score ako mamaya. Basta libre.
Tira mo lang. Bato mo lang kahit lampas sa board.
Amazing man.
Hello po, sir. Amazing.
Si James, sino?
Hi, can I take photo?
Grabe, nakaga ako na ka.
Siyempre.
Amazing.
So, diretso ka nun. Amazing!
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you po, kabuhay. Thank you po. Nakalakalala po ka. Pogi mo, pogi mo, pogi mo. Amazing po. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Miss.
you, idol. Boy, chocolate ko, bigay mo na pala mamaya ha.
Very good. May materialisang dito ako. Buzzer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Fans,
Mga kamangyan natin, proud mangyan tayo. Kamangyan! Amazing!
Amazing man.
please let's clear the court right now.
Tatay ni Bruno, shoutout sa inyo, Seven Oh, wow! Ganyan. Nice! Dati pa yan, 2012.
Oo. Yan na siya, malaki na.
Sige. Ikaw to?
Oo.
2012.
2012.
12 years ago. Ilan taon ka na ngayon?
40.
Ha?
40.
So 2 years old ka pa lang dito?
Amazing.
Oh, yeah, oh.
Kuya Rico!
Nice! Shoutout dati. Shout.
Yan na, malaki na.
Laki na. Ayun. Kay Jackie. Enyo Udo.
This fans very clear. Only one of the reasons why we are here today. And ladies and gentlemen,
Just Father in heaven, just want to give thanks for this opportunity. Thank the Lord God for the safe trip. Thank the Lord na mamamasaya namin yung mga tayo ng taga London, Lord God. Please keep us all safe from any injuries and allow us to have a good day.
Man to man. Swiss 17 yung kaibigan mo. Alright?
Safety lagi tayo, mabibilis na kailangan safety. Huwag na natin i-rebound.
Kung ka nare-rebound, safety ka sa pass break. Ha?
Safety country tayo.
Come on. Safety country. 1, 2, 3. Ha? May gagawin, tapos pumunta daw isang ganun. Yung play nila.
right now, ladies and gentlemen, let's see number 6. Let's welcome J.E. Junkie. Big round of applause. Winning jersey number 19, the Menace. Winning jersey number 45, let's give a big round of applause as we welcome your PBA Motor Club starting 5. Ladies and gentlemen, let's off, ladies and gentlemen, Big Dog Crazy. It's going to be still part of the groups of the line. Big Dog Crazy will up against number 11. They have it's going to be one of the great showcases in basketball history. So enjoy this. For the reason that we are all here because of this hard-working man who really paved the way for all of us to be here the last time. Kasama po natin sa mga Sports, S&P Forward, kasama po natin. Basketball was running in the veins. Mr. Carmelo, Mariano, over there. I love this picture, ladies and gentlemen. Let's stay.
Yay!
Here we go, can't wait. And we're all ready for this. Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime. And everyone jumping is Mr. Big Dog Crazy and Fox Ryan. You can see he took his match back there, step out with the jump. To the first position of King Jackie, number 6 for 3. It's good! Looking for the first one, Jordan out the ball. Big Dog Crazy! The first one, Kramer. Let's go, dog! And back to Jackie. Also known as the leader, communicating with Mr. Kramer. It's give it to it's not pretty good. Look at that. Look at JJ. JJ, three.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Good call! Luka Doncic! Luka Doncic! Ha? Luka Doncic? Akin yan! That's mine!
At the 4.5 meter strike. Thank you so much. Mark Pingers, also a member of the Philippine team.
Hoy, Pings! Stepping! Stepping, rep! Stepping! Step! Hindi, okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Wala, di ba? Hey! Dalawa pa!
I think that was a violation. Mark Pingers, one of the people, Isaac Raggi. Splitting his jaminates in the finger line. With his handling skills, JJ Hildebrand fights Big Dog in the paint. JJ for 3. Backwards. And
Wala!
to the 6, ladies and gentlemen. We are witnessing a very good fight.
Thank you.
Nice defense by Artilano right there with Sayang. Elder back to the Sayang fading. Laro for 3.
Hey, straight mo, go, straight! May resistance, mabigat din. Hard. Ganda.
Good things in his hands. Looking for one teammate. Goes to his left. It starts back in. Familiar line. Fires back and puts the top Kramer. Finally, Tom Kramer.
Round the proud.
Ball misses.
Outside, go!
Expect something amazing. That's defense by the
Good call, rep. Hey, good call.
JJ Huckleberry is looking for a friend by Cyrus Baguio. It's a low post mark, big wrist. There's a whistle.
Sab, gusto pumasok. Sab, siya yung point guard. Sino? Yung point guard. Right. Yeah, Mac, good.
Is that one o'clock for the session? JJ down on the ball.
Hey, triangle!
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful afternoon. We're celebrating a nice Sunday, possible Sunday at the University of the East. JJ Huckleberry inbounds the ball, still in play. Tom Kramer, who can stop the man? He's looking for another stolen pass. No, it's available by Cyrus Holt. Mr. Pinoy Sakuragi is a three. What was that? There's a foul. JJ Huckleberry, wow! Cyrus Baguio. Gentle Giant Bautista subs are mighty mouse, Mr. Lucian. Back to the mobile right outside. Baguio moving forward. A cover.
You're weak.
Going over the 5-10 shot. Here comes the fast break. Everyone is protesting the game. We love this game. So finding his rhythm. JJ Huckleberry right now has his ball. Looking for a teammate by Cyrus Baguio. Back to JJ for three. In and out. JJ Huckleberry. Number one out of the Jungle Giant is Master Hardy. Next big basketball
Pawis? Lumabas na yung pawis mo. Ha? Ay, Mac, isa pa.
It's Captain Hughes.
Load ka, load.
Signature.
One.
Mark Pickers.
Big!
Ibenta mo kay Boss Lawyer.
Hoy!
Mark at corner. Shooter bounce. What's going on?
Sumot?
Alright. Shooter function. Nice shot by Mark at corner.
Hey, let us play.
Rep, tell the women.
Look at this, ladies and gentlemen.
Calling sock.
DJ, help the right. Come on, let's go.
She's calling everything.
And the silver on the right. It's a precision basketball moment. Sometimes still got the hit. Got the hit.
Suwabe yung layup.
Nakita mo ba yung left na yun?
Parang ano? Parang Samboy Lim yung dating.
10% pa lang yun.
Oo!
Hindi pa 90 yun ha. 10 pa lang yun.
10 lang.
It's our Jeremy Jacko, 1-on-1 with Powell. Sucking his head. Wow.
Ano kumakagat labi pa? Papak yun.
In a 4.5-meter stride. Jerwin Gago, defensive player. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, perfect situation. Sky is fighting 1-1. Big Dog the gentle giant. Report back, moves back, it's a wide still. That's back to Very slowly easing the lead. And now down.
Stop.
Double three. No way from my side. Offensive foul. Down's clear. Varsity. Throwing an elbow. 9 seconds left. Wow, that was just a momentum. And my Mr. Pauls is on me.
That's why if we're in a 1-2-2. Test the three.
Of course, we have the new Richter.
What's up to you guys? 1-2-2 tayo.
Defense!
Everybody now you cannot just see this guy. Muster coming out. Defense is the name of the game. Salad Master. Salamat po, Salad Master.
Siya si Mario Pesta, CEO, sir.
Yes sir, amazing. Mario Fiesta.
Lapit na po ngayon sa Salad Master natin. Kompleto po yan. Maraming salamat. And special shout out to that.
Thank you sir. Kita tayo later.
Oh my God, it's a contract. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the It's a 2-point lead. 2-point lead, 1 possession.
first play na ginawa niya dito?
Seconds. Naku, referee waves. Referee waves. And referee Inks. And referee side. Intense conversation.
They get 2 more shots. Because it was a violation, okay?
No timeout, both sides.
You can go. Why did you guys make him shoot? Why did you guys make him shoot? That's you guys.
Technical rep.
You cannot do that.
That's the whole game. How can you relax?
You can't do the whole game. Correct it.
Let's end it up. The shuffle a miss. Yeah? Let's end the shuffle a miss. Alright, look at this.
Stop it.
On the attack right now is being tested in the pressure cooker. It all comes down to this.
Ano? Nagkakalukuhan.
Yes.
Technical yun. Technical.
Correct natin eh. Wrong thrower.
So, dalawang tira ulit. Time out. Rebound. Time out.
16. Time is running. 10 seconds. 7.
Ano yung ping?
We are now in the red thin line. Artie Lara, 4 seconds.
Rico, he's my husband.
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Isabella.
Oh, really? Where are you from?
Favorite cartoon. What's your name too?
Mom, my name is Tito Rico.
Teacher Rico.
Not a Rico.
Yeah, my name is Rico.
Oh.
How about you?
My name is Isabella.
All right. How old are you?
I am 3.
You're 3? Where are you from?
Mommy's house.
Oh. Where's mommy's house?
Ito si Romeli, yung kasama ni Sarin.
My sister.
Oh, what's your name of your sister?
Amelia.
Amelia?
Can you sing?
Can you sing me a song?
Sing for us?
I'm a Bobby girl and a
Oh, see? Fantastic. So fantastic.
You can brush your hair. I make it everywhere. Looking landing. Execute my shot.
Say,
Amazing.
Ayun, go. In the camera. 1, 2, 3. Amazing.
Amazing.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Erin and Jaco Yamson. Thank you so much. God bless.
Yes, ma'am. Sure po.
Sorry.
Amazing!
Amazing!
PBA Moto, PBA Moto Club, PBA Moto.
Buksan ang iyong GameX Sports app. I-log in ang iyong account. Magpunta sa menu bar at pindutin ang Lucky 4. Maaari mong tignan ang game schedule.
Pwede pumili ng match na gusto mo.
Ilagay ang iyong lucky 4 digits. Kung hindi makapag-decide sa itatayang numero, maaari mong pindutin ang lucky pick icon. Pindutin ang proceed. Ang 20 pesos mo ay maaaring manalo ng 10,000 pesos pataas. Maghintay para sa huling resulta ng laro.